What's up, everybody? Yes, right. It's your girl, Crystal Oreo Nesta. I know. It's been a long time since you've seen me, but I am back today with a review of the Ambiance Humidifier LED Ultrasound. We get ready to check it out. So first, we're gonna unbox this little baby, and before we do, I am going to tell you, it says it's a LED ultrasound, water tank, 1.3 liters, 0.34 gallons, operating time per fill, 6 hours, 360 degrees vapor nozzle, auto shut off when water tank is empty, which we all love. Integrated over current protection, includes aroma diffuser function, which I love. I don't know about y'all, but I love aroma. And it includes LED mood lights for 7 different colors: violet, indigo blue, light blue, green, orange, and red. Variable moisture control. Interesting. And it has a 2-year warranty on this, guys. So let's check it out. I got this from Aldi's, the grocery store. They have a little section where they sell little odds and ends at a discounted price. So that's where I got this from. And because so happened, one of my diffusers just so happened to go up. So that's the little lid right there. Let's see in the box. It's very light. Here's the manuals. Let's see. You see how they wrapped it? We have the plug here. Okay. Okay. So that's 2 pieces that is together. Oh, they'll pay me no mind, guys. Okay. So we're gonna put this back on. Okay, so here's where they're telling us we can adjust the mist. That's the LED section there and the color. So we're gonna get this paper out of here. We're gonna plug this up. We deal with any water. Let's do this. I know a lot of us love, see which way is the best for me to plug this baby. I'll do it this way because it's closer to. Oh, sorry, Butterfingers. Don't pay me no mind, ladies and gentlemen. I could have cut that out, but then the video wouldn't be that sincere, would it? So here's where you plug it in back here. I will tell you, it's really light. Almost feels like nothing. So it's in the off switch. When you turn it on, you get a green light. Oh, and there's a red light, which probably is telling us that we have no water. So I'm going to turn this off. Oh, there's the light. Nobody likes to read instructions, right? So I press the LED light thing here. It looks like every time we press it, we might get another color. I might be pressing it too fast. It looked like all the light is in the front. Anyways, hit this off. Take this back off. And I'm assuming that this is the water tank. So oh, you know what? One thing. Does it tell us? Well, it says a liter. So I just thought about that. It might be able to hold all that water I have there. I'm just going to skim over the instructions very quickly. Okay. So let's pour our water in. That was 4.5. That's 5 cups of water there. Put the lid back on here. Oh, before we do that, before we flip it over, I wonder, that's the one thing I was looking for because it has aromatherapy. I got my little essential oil here. Let's find out where it goes. I'm sure it probably goes in the water tank. But I just want to double check. Checking the humidity in the pack. General safety rules. Water tank cap, outlet channel. I'm just looking to make sure that I put the vapor in the water chamber. Built-in aroma diffuser. Yes. And so let me make sure. Sorry guys, but this is a real video, right? That's what you guys are looking for out there. Built-in aroma diffuser. Built-in aroma diffuser. Moisture output. Add essential oils directly to the tank. That is what I wanted to confirm. Because we don't want to mess it up on the first try and then complain about it later, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my number. That's my like go-to number. We're gonna know how the scent comes out. This oil is a strawberry scent, which I got off of Amazon a while ago. Now let's make sure we're putting this baby back properly. So this is where you can see the LED bulb is gonna go in there. So let's do this. I'm actually gonna, I feel safer bringing this to it. Ooh, you can hear it. Okay. Then we're gonna put his little nozzle on here. And as we see, we can turn it. We're going to turn it that way. Let me make sure that I'm giving you guys a good angle here so you can see what I'm doing. Let's get a little closer. Okay. Because I want you all to be able to see. Sorry, I know I should have did this beforehand, but I want you all to be able to see my nozzles. Okay, which is here. Let's cut our light on. Make sure you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, and then we're gonna flip on the on switch. Okay. I don't think you guys can see the mist as well as I do. But let's try this. Well, let's turn it up and see if the camera can pick it up. That looks a little bit better. Try to give y'all some color behind it so you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But that's the mist that's coming off of it. As you see, the colors is changing on its own. So it's either on or off type. I have the mister all the way up. So as you see, you can have the mist go in the direction you want it to go in. Let me turn it down. Well, that was all. Okay. So it mixed pretty well. Let's get some color going again. And again, you can turn this mister in the direction you want it to go. That's pretty cool. My 7 drops worked perfectly. I could smell it wonderfully. I have strawberry essential oil in here right now. And, oh yeah, there you go. You can see the mist coming out. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my unboxing and setup of the Ambiance humidifier with aromatherapy. You can't change the lights on your own. It just cycles through, it looks like, on its own. But anyway, other than that, I have no complaints. Yeah, you just gotta let it cycle through on its own. Other than that, I have no complaints. I'm super excited to have my therapy and my diffuser blowing a very perfect cool mist. Again, this is the unboxing and setup of the Ambiance Humidifier LED ultrasound humidifier. And ladies and gentlemen, I am Crystal Real Nester. Thank you for spending time with me and watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Feel free to share this video. Put your comments down below what kind of humidifiers you have. I know it's a big deal lately. A lot of people use humidifiers. But I'm super stoked about this one because I can add aromatherapy to it. And you guys know what? I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Peace.